So this is a post in regards to your right to representation. In the fact that if you do not have a form of income, a lawyer will be provided to you free of charge. Well, I'm an honorably discharged disabled veteran, fully disabled and retired, and this was in regards to a citation that I received in which a verdict was found against me in spite of the fact that I'm disabled. In consideration of the fact that the citation criteria indicated that if the individual is physically or financially in a state of immediate distress, which I was. It was 2 days before my second back surgery, and I'm fully disabled, and I don't receive a taxable income. All I receive is my veterans benefits. So in the end, not only did they disregard the federal documentation of my medical records in order to find me guilty, because they ignored the fact that I am disabled and I don't have a form of income, the person down at the court who decides on how much to charge you, who's not a judge, it's a clerk, also held the fact that I'm disabled and I don't receive a taxable form of income in disregard, and decided that I needed to pay anyway. And in the end, this is from lawyers trying to collect from me, in which they'll find that they have no means to collect from me because I don't receive a taxable income, which indicates to the fact that I am on low income and fully disabled, just like I stated, just like the documentation that I provided indicated, which they held in disregard in order to find me guilty. Now, how about that for a conundrum, huh? And yet, in spite of all of this, if you search my name on Google, the first thing that comes up is an article from the ASPCA in regards to this that paints me as this monstrous individual that didn't provide attention to my pet when I did. I even called them for help and they denied me, said I had to pay even though I couldn't. And then 2 weeks later, right before my surgery, they show up to give me a citation. Now, do we smell corruption here? Do we smell the local government preying on the local populace, ignoring federal documentation, ignoring the federal law and regulations that guide what happens in their courts so that they can find people guilty to make money off of them? This is a fact. This has happened. This happens a lot. I bet you this happens to just about everyone, even though they qualify for the representation that they were promised. Huh.